Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will look at how to create JavaFX programs from Intellij IDE. So I have this IDE now started. I'm going to create a new project. Now, before I create a new project, just double check on the settings and make sure we have this plugin. And so look at the plugin and see if we have this JavaFX here. Okay, JavaFX is bounded, it's checked here. So this is okay now. I'm going to close it. And now let's create this new project. And this time we're going to create a JavaFX project. Here's JavaFX. And I'm going to have this is the, call this demo 8. All right, so here's the location. And this language Java, I'm going to use Maven, the build system. Here is this, all by default. Click next. So all I need is the, for now, for this, all the programs we have in the book, we all need, it's just a Java, this is the control FX. So all this components, the basic components. So I'm going to create this now. And so I'm going to open the project in this window. And so this is what I have here now. All right. So I'm going to now, you see by default, we have this already created. So here's the one here. We have this as a hello application, and you can run this right here. Just I right click on this and run this. Now see what happens. Okay, I got this error message here on this module not found. Let's just comment this. We don't need this now. And now come back here and rerun this. All right, everything looks fine. Okay, so I'm going to create a new JavaFX. So I'm going to create a new Java class, and this is my JavaFX. And now press enter. So I'm going to copy the code I have from the book here. So this is the code from the book. I'm going to copy and paste this under this package. So look, I have to put it under this package. So this is the right here under this package, and I'm going to go run this, my JavaFX. All right, so it works exactly the same as in the book, my JavaFX. All right, that is all on how to create JavaFX program and run JavaFX program from Intellij. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.